Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com. Now in this video we are going to use ChatGPT and we're going to come up with a script, and that script I'm going to recreate using Canva. So what the objective is going to be for the video is I'm going to create an introductory video for my channel called as wealthandhealthmastery.com, and that particular video tells me what about the channel and how many times we post, what kind of videos we are going to post, and things like that. So it's going to be a small introduction videos. So first thing is I'll go over to ChatGPT here, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a script for my new channel called as Wealth and Health Mastery. Okay, this is the new channel where I post videos 3 times a week. Okay, and the videos are related to building passive income and health tips. Okay, so what it is going to do is it's going to create a script for me, and that script I'm going to use to create my YouTube video, okay, or to create my video. So you can see here, this is where it's writing, welcome to Wealth and Health Mastery, this channel where your financial freedom and well-being are our top priorities. I'm thrilled to have you here on the journey towards building a life of abundance and vitality. Now, one thing you can do is you can record all of this in an audio form, or basically in Canva itself, and I've showed you how to record it, and then you can add your audio as well. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to play around with the intro sections, basically the templates that we have. We're going to add our own text, add some slides, add some music, things like that. Okay, so we'll go over here to Canva, and the first thing is we'll go over to the videos here, and I'll start with create a blank video. And from this particular templates, I'm going to choose a template. Okay, so I'm going to say intro video, and let's scroll down. So far I haven't liked anything. Let's just keep scrolling down. So I like this template here, welcome to my channel. So this is what I liked, so I'm going to go ahead and there are multiple options. I wanted to add it to the star folder, and here I'm going to just go ahead and double click it. So what will happen is this particular will come over it, welcome to my channel, and here I'm going to change it to my channel name here, welcome and to my channel, and this is what I'm going to say, Wealth and Health Mastery. Okay, and I'm going to update the text here, Wealth and Health Mastery. I'm going to increase the font size here. Let's say I wanted to do it to about 40, and this is my channel, welcome to my channel, and welcome to my channel, Wealth and Health Mastery. If you want to change the color, I'm going to change it to, let's say, yellow. Okay, now here is the @ so I'm gonna here is the channel, so I'm gonna go over to YouTube and go over to my channel here. And this is the channel name, so I'm going to go ahead and copy it and go over here and replace it at, this is my channel. If you want to go over to the channel and subscribe, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend you to subscribe, because I'll be posting all sorts of videos related to passive income, health tips, etc. onto this channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. All the new courses that I'm going to come up with, you're going to see it on YouTube also. So we have welcome to my channel, Wealth and Health Mastery. If you wanted to change and you wanted to get the same font as Hit, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this, Hitchcut. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to change it to Hitchcut also. So here I'm going to go ahead and do Hitchcut. Okay, so this is my welcome to my channel, Wealth and Health Mastery. Let's say we increase the size again, and this one I'm moving on the top. Okay, Wealth and Health Mastery. So this is my first video here, and this is going to last for about 10 seconds. You can see here, and this is what it looks like. Now over here I'm going to add another screen here, and let's say we change the color of this to this color. Okay, and here I'm going to add some text. If I go to ChatGPT, it says In this channel, we deep dive into the world of passive income, helping you discover smart ways to make your money work for you. So over here, if I go back, let's say if you have another templates here. So I like this one, ready. So here I'm going to go ahead and add this, and I'm going to say ready over here, and here is what is this channel about, and I'm going to move this onto the top here. What is this channel about? And then I'm going to add, let's go. So I'm going to select this template also, or if you don't like, I'm going to say I'm going to look for number or bullet points. Okay, let's say if you have something with the bullet points, scroll down, you might find something here with the same color. Just you have to keep looking for it, the videos that you like. And let me see, dark. I'm looking for something, let's say is 1, 2, 3, things like that. Okay, so right here, this is the one, 3 ways to get more subscribers. I'm going to select this one, and over here I'm going to add 3 ways. So this is my first. I'm going to add this template also. I'm going to go ahead and select this page, and I'm going to select this one, number 2, and then I'm going to select the 4th one, which is cross promote. So this is number 5. So these are the different slides that I've added, and you can play it over here. And now at the end, I also wanted to add few things. Here is what is the reason to subscribe to the channel, right? So we create videos to help you learn about passive income. You can make income from home, and no investment is needed for these different ways of making money. So first thing is, we'll go back. I'm going to bring this, drag this over here. I'm going to start play, and it's going to play it over here. I'm going to bring it all the way in the front. Okay, this is what it looks like. So it says, welcome to my channel, Wealth and Health Mastery. We have not added any music, but you can add the music also. And then it says, what is this channel about? So we're going to go ahead and say, what is this channel about here? And then we can, there is a, if you see here in between, there is a transition. So if you select here, this is a transition they have called flow transition they have added. So there is a transition here, and then we'll just play the video one more time. 3 ways to get more subscribers on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to learn about making passive income from comfort of your home. Okay, and then we're going to get rid of this. We don't need it. So this is there. I'm going to add some effects here. I'm going to add a not pop effect, drift effect I'm going to add, and I'm going to do it typewriter. Okay, and then I'm going to do it character by character. Okay, so this is what I've learned about. So now I have here, what is this channel about? Learn about making passive income from comfort of your home. Now over here, I'm going to say make money with YouTube, Instagram, and Amazon. So there are different ways I'll be showing you how you can make money through these different platforms. On Amazon, you don't even have to create any physical products. With the help of digital products like ebooks, etc., audiobooks, etc., you can make money with Amazon. Instagram is through creating theme pages, doing affiliate marketing on Instagram, things like that. Okay, so make money with YouTube, Instagram, Amazon. Going back to ChatGPT, it tells us more practical health tips also to keep you feeling your best, from nutrition hacks to a fitness routine, will help you stay in top shape while you build your wealth. So going back here, make money with YouTube, Instagram, and Amazon. Then this is your first one. Number 2 is, or we can say, another important benefit is no investment needed. All these methods that I'll be showing you, you don't need a bigger investment. So that is number 2. Number 3 is no investment needed. I'm going to add number 2, 1, 2, and 3. Number 3 is not only that, health tips also. Okay, now what else it tells me? Quick message to with new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday you'll be able to. So now what I can do is I can go back here, I can copy this whole text here, Control C, Control V. The other way is go over to the grid, and then here I can move this over here. You can see. Now I can go back and click on the grid again, it'll take me back to that screen. So here one more time, if you want to move these frames around, you can either go over to this grid view here, and then you can move this wherever you want. If you move it in the button, then you can select it. So now the first screen is this, second is this, third is this, fourth is this, fifth, sixth and seventh. Now going back again, so I'm going to go back to the grid view, and over here I'm going to say how often we will upload the video. How often we will upload. Okay, so here you can add any effects you want. Right now it's baseline, you want to change it, you can do it. Now over here we'll say how often you'll do it, and we go back here and see if you like something else. And let's say we liked this one, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Sorry, go back, and you can select another text here from this. What is this about? Not only that, here let's say we selected this. Okay, Control C and Control V. So now I'll go back to the grid again, and I'm going to move this over here, and then moving back to the grid, and then over here I'm going to say this one we will upload 3 times a week. Okay, and then that is going to be Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, and Wednesday. Now if you want to add any music, you know how to add it. You go over to the elements and go over to the music tab. Over here look for music, and then you go over to the over here you have go over to the elements and then look for music, and over here you have audio, and you can select whichever audio you want. Now in between these slides, if you want to add any transitions, you can do that. Right now if you go and play this video from here in the beginning, if you play this video, in between the first and the second slide there is no transition. So you can add the transition also. So you can see here, and if you want to reduce the timer of this, all you need to do is you bring the corners together and then you can reduce the time. Now it goes back to the second slide. So if I go and put my mouse in between, it is asking me you can add a page or you can add any transition. So I'm going to select the transition, and what kind of transition do you want? Dissolve, slide. So I'm going to choose the slide transition here. So what will happen is first this screen will show up, and then what will happen is I'm going to also reduce the timing of this one. So I'm going to reduce it to about 6 seconds here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play, and then what will happen, the next one will show up, and then in between this also there is no transition. So I'm going to add a transition, and again I'm going to add a slide transition here, and we can do it which direction. You can choose the direction, and then we'll leave it here, and then now it is also saying apply between all pages. So if you want to apply all this transition to all pages, you can click on this button. We don't want to do that. I just wanted to apply it over here. Okay, so now if I go and start from the scratch, this is how it looks like. Or if you want to preview it, you click on this and we can preview it. First thing is welcome to my channel, Wealth and Health Mastery. Then it gives me this. Then what is this channel about? And learn about making passive income from comfort of your home. Make money with YouTube, Instagram and Amazon. Make money with YouTube, Instagram and Amazon. No investment needed. And then number 3 is if you want to reduce the timing, you can do that. Not only that, health tips also. And then we have is how often we will upload. We will upload it 3 times a week. We'll upload 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and it ended. So this one is half done right now. Okay, so now the other important thing we'll do is we will go back and we will add some outros over here also. So let's just go back. So we'll close this, and then we will add some like, subscribe, and share. Okay, so we can say look for outros, which will be something like this. Now over here you can choose the same thing, dark color, and we can select from this list here whichever you want, or we can just look for like, subscribe, and share. You have this option, if you want like, subscribe, and share, and this one's thanks for watching. So let's say we go over here, add as a new page, and then this one I'm going to move it at the end. Okay, so this will be moved here, and then we'll go back to our grid, and now you have your thing ready. If you want to play it, it'll play from the beginning, and it'll come all the way at the end, and this is what it shows: thanks for watching, like, comment, and share. Okay, so this is your whole script is ready. Now you can actually record an audio and put it below it, and that way we'll have an audio to this video also. But if you don't want it, this also looks good. All you need to do is add some music to this video. Okay, so if you wanted to share it, all we're going to do is click the share button, hit the download, and then I'm going to download this video by going over here and then just naming your video and saving it on your laptop. This is how you create a video in Canva. I hope you're enjoying these tutorials. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.